Hi everyone, today I'll show this coconut milk. I'm gonna unbox it from the carton. Alright. So you can see the coconut milk inside. I'm gonna remove one of them. Alright. Alright, so this is the Ayam brand, Santan Kelapa. It's a coconut milk, Ayam brand. Cholesterol free food. Interesting. 100 ml is 207 kilocalories. Interesting. So there you go. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. If you want to buy this, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. And yeah, thank you so much for dropping by, and see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.